Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Capital One bank to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Capital One bank to the NerdWallet app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the NerdWallet app. Next, you want to click on the upper left-hand corner where it says the three lines. So click on those three lines. Then from here, you want to click on Financial Info. And then in the upper hand side, click on Linked Financial Institutions. From here, click on Add Your First Account. And then it's going to prompt you to accept some terms and services. You can make sure you accept those terms and then click on Continue as Guest, and then click on Capital One. So on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into Capital One, but keep in mind that NerdWallet is actually using Plaid. So Plaid is a secure and easy way to actually go ahead and connect financial institutions together. So click on Continue to log in and simply just check the boxes that you want to go ahead and connect with NerdWallet. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Capital One bank to NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.